Hello everyone, how to hide zero values in Excel without formula. So let's start. You can see I have data, the product name and sales amount. So in sales amount column, you can see some amount is zero. So here I'm going to hide the zero value. First select the entire column of sales amount, then press here the shortcut key Control 1 and here you can see the format cell dialog box is open. In Format Cell, in Number tab, in Category, here click on the Custom option. In Custom, in Type, remove this general word, select it and press here the backspace to remove it. Then type here 0, semicolon, then 0, then 2 times semicolon, and then type here @ and that's it. Then click on OK and here you see the selected column 0 is hide. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.